Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best parallel kit is probably one of the most versatile tools for anyone needing reliable power. Whether you're camping, working on a remote project, or preparing for emergencies, the ability to combine the output of multiple generators offers unparalleled flexibility and peace of mind. This video will dive deep into the world of generator parallel kits, exploring their benefits, how they work, and what to look for when choosing the right one for your needs. Number 5. Champion ParaLINK Parallel Kit for RV Generators. This is the Champion ParaLINK Parallel Kit. It's designed to link two Champion inverter generators. This kit makes it easy to combine power for your RV needs. The kit comes equipped with a standard 50A RV outlet. It's ready to power your RV appliances, making your trips more comfortable. It seamlessly integrates two 2500 watt or higher Champion inverters. The quick clip-on connection makes setup a breeze. Connecting two generators gives you enough power. You can start and run two 15,000 BTU RV air conditioners with it. It includes one 20V 50A RV and 30A locking outlets, plus circuit breakers. These features prevent overloads and ensure safe operation. The kit comes with a 1-year limited warranty. You'll also get free lifetime technical support from dedicated experts. What we like. This kit comes with a standard 50A RV outlet, making it super convenient for RV enthusiasts. The quick clip-on connection simplifies the setup process, saving you time and effort. If you're planning to power multiple appliances or run two RV air conditioners, this is the perfect choice. What people say. Works as it should to give you the extra power to start AC units and high wattage appliances. I use this on my Champion 4000 and 2500 inverters. Clamp it on the handle, hook up the color-coded wires and plug in your power cord. Works like a champ. I have a Geo Pro travel trailer, and linking two Champion 2500W dual fuel inverters together is perfect for my needs. This 30-amp ParaLINK parallel kit makes it all possible. I can run my AC and other appliances. Number 4. Champion 100740 ParaLINK Parallel Kit. This kit from Champion allows you to connect two inverters. It provides the power you need for your RV or other applications. It's a convenient and reliable solution. With this kit, you can easily run most 15,000 BTU RV air conditioners. It provides the power needed for your appliances. It's designed for your convenience. The kit seamlessly integrates two 2000 to 3000 watt ParaLINK-ready inverters. It features a hand-tightened clamp for easy attachment. It's simple to set up. Parallel two lightweight and ultra-quiet inverters to get the power of a larger unit. It offers flexibility for your power needs. It's a smart choice. It includes a 120V 30A RV outlet and a 120V 30A locking outlet with a 30-amp circuit breaker. This helps prevent overloads and ensures safety. It's built to last. The kit comes with a 1-year limited warranty. You also get free lifetime technical support from dedicated experts. They are always there to help you. What we like. This kit is designed for easy integration with a hand-tightened clamp, making setup a breeze. It allows you to connect two ultra-quiet inverters, perfect for noise-sensitive environments. If you value quiet operation and need a reliable power source for your RV, this is a great option. What people say. Works as it should to give you the extra power to start AC units and high wattage appliances. Clamp it on the handle, hook up the color-coded wires and plug in your power cord. Works like a champ. I can run my AC and other appliances. It is much simpler to handle two smaller inverter generators. Number 3. GENMAX 50i 50-amp parallel connection kit. This kit is perfect for connecting any two WEN inverter generators. It allows you to combine the power of two units, making it easier to handle larger power demands. This is a great way to increase your available wattage. With this kit, you can increase the wattage of the individual outlets on either connected generator panel. It effectively doubles your power output, providing more flexibility for your power needs. This is especially useful for powering multiple devices simultaneously. The kit can handle up to 50 amps and 6,000 watts of output. It's designed to manage significant power loads, ensuring reliable performance. This makes it suitable for a variety of applications, from home backup to job sites. It includes one NEMA 14-50 or 50A 120V outlet and one NEMA L5-30 or 30A 120V outlet. This provides versatile connectivity options for different devices and appliances. You'll have the right connections for your power needs. The kit features a reach of up to 7 feet, providing flexibility in setup. It also comes with a 2-year warranty, ensuring peace of mind. You can rely on it for years to come. What we like. This kit is specifically designed to link any two WEN inverter generators, offering versatility. It can handle up to 6,000 watts of output, providing ample power for various needs. If you already own WEN generators and need a reliable parallel kit, this is the one for you. What people say. Went with 50 amp kit because it has both 50 amp and 30 amp interfaces. While I haven't been able to use it with the AC yet, I did run a parallel test with a couple of heaters and an air compressor, just to verify that it, and both of the generators, worked properly. Yup, worked like a champ. Ran the two 1500 watt heaters without a hiccup. As far as the design and build quality of the parallel kit, it's pretty tough to beat. It's solid, has nice connectors, and rain dust covers for the outlets. But the best part, assuming you're using it with a WEN generator, is the clever spring clip mechanism for attaching the parallel kit to the top of your generator. Number 2. Generac 7118 Parallel Kit for GP2200i GP2500i. Need more power? This parallel kit allows you to connect two inverters together. It effectively doubles the power output for your needs. With this kit, you'll get up to 3,230 running watts. It's perfect for powering essential devices and appliances. The kit includes L5-30R twist lock and TT30R, RV, receptacles. These ensure easy and secure power connections for your devices. It features a storage compartment at the back. This keeps your power cables safe and organized when not in use. This parallel kit is a portable power solution. You can confidently power your RV, small appliances, and camping gear with it. What we like. This kit doubles your power output, making it ideal for demanding applications. It features versatile receptacles, ensuring easy and secure power connections. If you need a portable and versatile power solution for camping or home backup, this kit is a great choice. What people say. I was able to watch TV, power my internet, charge phones, use small kitchen appliances during a 12-hour power outage. I still had 23% charge left when power was restored. Works well with camping. I can get 3 nights of coal machine usage with it. Work wonderfully as a parallel kit for Generac 2200. Number 1. GENMAX 50 amp RV Ready Parallel Kit. Introducing the GENMAX 50 amp RV Ready Parallel Kit. This kit is designed to connect multiple inverter generators, providing ample power for your RV's needs. Easily connect 2 or 3 2800 watt or higher inverter generators. This setup provides the power needed to run two 15,000 BTU RV air conditioners simultaneously. Installation is quick and easy, requiring no tools. The kit includes winding clips for convenient storage, making it user-friendly. The kit features circuit breakers, 120V 30A locking, and 120V 50A RV outlets. It increases the wattage of individual outlets on the connected generator panel. Utilizing inverter technology, it delivers clean and stable power. This is perfect for sensitive electronics like TVs and computers, ensuring their safe operation. It comes with a 1-year warranty and free lifetime technical support from experts. You can be confident in the product's quality and the support available. What we like. This kit is 50 amp RV ready, ensuring compatibility with your RV needs. It offers tool-free installation, saving you time and effort. If you need to power multiple appliances or want the flexibility to connect up to 3 generators, this kit is the perfect choice. What people say. Was able to power my 50 amp RV no issues. I can now run any combination of 1, 2, or 3 generators to service whatever load configuration the RV requires. Worked flawlessly for 2 Westinghouse 4500 watts inverter generator to run the entire house. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.